What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about why 99% of local businesses will lose to AI. Now, whether you're a painter, landscaper, roofer, remodeler, any local service provider, there is a shift happening right now that will determine who grows, who stalls, who dominates, who disappears. It's not coming soon, it's already here, and it's called AI visibility control. Now, most business owners, they think AI will replace their jobs, labor, tasks, customer service, estimating, operations, but that's not what will destroy local businesses. AI is not replacing your job. AI is replacing your reputation, your visibility, your first impression, and your authority, and your ability to be chosen. AI now controls what every homeowner sees when they search best painter near me, local landscaper or local landscaping company, top rated, power washing companies in my city. AI is now deciding who shows up first, who looks trustworthy, gets surfaced more, gets buried, gets the call, and who never gets the chance. This is the new invisible battlefield, and most businesses, they're already losing. AI does not promote the most skilled businesses. AI promotes the most trustworthy looking business. AI does not reward years in experience, great craftsmanship, word of mouth, good intentions. AI rewards authority signals, consistency, professional presence, activity, reputation, and brand positioning. If you don't speak the language AI is trained to understand, your business becomes invisible. Now, the old customer journey is referrals, estimate, choose a contractor. Now it's search, scroll, judge, and decide in under 3 seconds. If your online presence does not signal authority instantly, you lose the job instantly, and you never knew you were even in the running. Most businesses, local businesses, are still relying on inconsistent posting, random photos, referrals, outdated Google profiles. This system is gone. AI does not care. AI cannot feel your skill. AI can only read your signals. And if your signals are weak, you're going to get filtered out. In the AI era, local businesses do not win because they are the best. They win because they look like the safest, most premium option. Authority beats price, experience, skill, advertising, referrals. Authority wins before the estimate, before the phone call, and before you even know a customer was searching. This is the new economy of trust. The top performing local businesses, they do not rely on posting more, trying harder, viral content, buying more ads, begging for reviews. They build systems that create trust, that build authority, that increase invisibility, influence AI rankings, make homeowners choose them automatically. This is the future, and it belongs to a very small percentage of local businesses who adopt fast. Now, we created a new category, the authority growth engine for local businesses. It transforms your online presence into an automated trust-building machine. How? 3 mechanisms. The first one is authority presence. So most local businesses, they lose customers because their online presence looks small, random, inconsistent, outdated, low authority. This fixes this. It builds a premium, trustworthy identity that makes homeowners choose you before they meet you. It includes branded upgrades, cinematic before and after content, craftsmanship, process storytelling, videos, high-end visuals, clean, modern presentation. So this is not content. This is authority manufacturing. The second mechanism is local demand engine. Your work can be amazing, but if nobody sees it, your business dies. This mechanism turns your authority content into daily activity, local rankings, Google business SEO, neighborhood reach, platform-wide visibility. AI sees your activity, AI rewards your activity, AI ranks you higher. It's not posting anymore, it's visibility engineering. Now, the last mechanism is the leverage layer. So what happens when a homeowner sees your brand, your authority, your process, results, testimonials, before you even show up to the estimate. They trust you more, they stop price shopping, stop comparing you to cheaper businesses, and they choose you. Your authority closes the job for you. This mechanism increases close rate, lead quality, inbound demand, pricing power. This is how the top 1% operate. Now, all you contractors, you know, or you have an idea of who are some of the top guys in your area. If you go look at their websites, their systems, they definitely have one or two of these mechanisms. Now this is going to be available to every contractor, from just starting off to at the very top. And if your closing rate does not increase or your Google visibility doesn't rise in 60 days, we'll work for free until it does. Now I'll say this because, 5-6 minutes in, if you're watching this and made it this far, you're definitely interested, and I just want to cut out all the bullshit. System like this is $300 a month. If that's within your budget, we can get started right now. Book a call, link below. So, I'm not trying to hard sell anybody, but this is the new way, and AI visibility is taking over. This just real business outcomes right here. More trust, more visibility, more closed jobs. Just how I was saying, AI ranking patterns are being formatted right now. This is a land grab, a rare moment, a window. Local businesses who build authority now will dominate for the next decade. Businesses who wait, they're going to get buried. AI recommendations, AI rankings, trust scores, AI signals is permanent. It's not going away. So if you want to know how AI currently views your business, trust signals, all the things that I just mentioned, just comment down below. I'll send you the breakdown. No pitch, no pressure, just clarity. Also, if you just want to go ahead and get straight to getting on a phone call with me, more like consultation call, just to see what you're doing, how we can help, what mechanism that you should implement first, you can do that as well. And then I'll just finish with this quote right here. The best business no longer wins, the most trusted business wins. And AI, unfortunately, decides who that is. So that is going to be it for this one, Contracting Pros, and I will see you in the next one.